Hi folks, this video is all about how to create a brand new project in Android Studio. So you click and start a new Android Studio project and then wait a bit. If your machine's fast, it'll come up quick. If it's slow, obviously it'll take a bit of time. The first thing it asks for is the application name. That has to have a capital letter at the beginning. I'm going to call this buttons test. Basically I'll make something related to buttons at some point. Below it says domain, and it gives me a default here. It's realised my login name's Harkin M, and this is the default kind of setup it gives you. You'll see it's probably a student number or something similar. You can change if you want to. Just remember what it was. I'm keeping this the same as it says, so it doesn't change. Project location, you really should change that to some sort of portable drive. You don't want to save the files to the C drive because that means they'll always be on the C drive on that machine. So click the little three dots and obviously browse to your portable drive and save it there instead. And then just continue, so I'll hit next. The first option says for the tablet, it's always ticked on, so just keep it there. And it's basically saying here, what is the lowest version of Android you'll use to make it compatible with? Just keep it as ice cream sandwich. And then just click next again. There's lots of options here, but in reality, we're always going to select empty activity. So keep it there and hit next. And it's saying the name of this activity. Every application in Android is made up of different activities. We'll be dealing with one activity, and the default name is main activity. So don't change that. If you keep it as the same name every time, it'll be dead easy to kind of follow. So it says main activity, it's got a capital M and a capital A. And then below it says generate layout file, which yes, you want to do. And backwards compatibility, yes, you want to do that. And when it says layout name, it takes the activity name and flips it around. So it says activity main, all lowercase with an underscore between them. You'll have to kind of memorize these names and get used to them as well. Just hit finish and then watch Android Studio take a long time to appear. What I'll probably do is pause the video at various points just to speed it up a little bit. And there we go. So it's nicely loading in the project. If the day pops up fair enough, just close that. The rest of the bit takes a bit of time. Down here, does this say sync with a thing called the Gradle? That's an online server. It's basically checking to make sure all the files are up to date. And this is the bit that can take quite a long time to do. At this point here, I'd say sit and read a newspaper, which we don't use anymore, or go make a cup of coffee or something like that. It does take a bit of time. So I'm now going to pause the video and then just wait till it comes back again. Obviously it's starting to Gradle sync just now. I'm hoping it'll go green at some point, which it does, but a lot more things happen as well. So I'm going to pause now. I'll bring up the little player to do that, just for quickness, and then pause. For some reason, I've got this data sharing thing about sending statistics to Google, so just say no to that. It doesn't always pop up, but it's popped up in this latest version, so I'll say don't send. And again, I'll pause because it has been a few minutes, and of course we're still doing this. If you look at the bottom of my screen on the left hand side, it says the Gradle sync's finished, but in reality it hasn't actually finished the process yet. On the right hand side at the bottom it says 2 processes running, and you basically have to wait some more time. It mentions something about indexing. You have to wait for the indexing to finish as well. So we'll continue watching this screen. Well, that's nice. It's saying loading, so that's a good sign. It'll be like that for another few minutes I reckon, so I'll pause again. Got to this point here where the main activity.java file has appeared, and there's a bit of code in there. If I click up here, you see this kind of little sign, click it and you see what's been hidden away there. It likes to hide things away. It also likes to leave lots of blank spaces, so I'm going to delete these blank spaces because I don't like them, they're in my way. Just to bring it down to something kind of useful at this point here. I'm going to click over here now where it says activity_main.xml. So this first one was the Java file, that's where your code goes. And this XML file, when I clicked on it, there we go. It's actually rendered the basic application screen. So this is a basic application screen, which means it's actually worked. Down here it says design view. If you click in text, you'll see something else that's called XML, which is here on the left hand side. And look, it's still waiting to finish up what it was doing in the first place. So it's getting there eventually. So in this text view, it's something called XML, which we won't really touch on too much. You can have a go at trying to write it manually if you want, but in reality I like to use the design view, which is this one, which makes it much easier to create anything. So we'll see that success, and we'll end this video just now and Put the next one on.